Dude,
It's on. Look at that slab.
Double, son. Look at the old slab.
Look at that.
DJ caught.
Hold
on. We up here at Lake of Egypt, Illinois. Power plant lake. New record for us. We out here fishing. -1 degree right there. -1 degrees this morning. That's how cold it is. I mean, look. I know there's frost on my ski mask. Look at the frost. Yeah, look at it. That's side imaging.
Watch out, watch out.
Here's our side imaging right there. If you can see, them are all crappie right there. See the specks? You see the shadows behind it? They're so thick. I mean, there's hundreds over there. 45 degree temp, -1 degree this morning. That's why we here, right there. Look at them right there coming up. Boat's turning just perfectly. Right out there. See, look at that. Power plant right there. Look at the sun coming up. Steam rolling off. It don't get no better. It don't get no better.
Steamy. Fish got steam coming off of him. Really? Yeah. What a football. God. That fish looks messed up.
It is. It's deformed.
Something wrong with him.
Look at that fish.
Wow.
That's been broke or something.
Yeah.
There's a little fish.
I got you. That's weird, man.
Oh! Fall them out.
What do you think? What y'all think? Is that cold enough? -1. Huh?
I'm gonna do it.
Woo!
Man, don't get no better than that, man. Happy New Year.
Bluegrass.
These poles out here. Look at the frost on them.
I got the guide out here. Full service. Full service.
Oh, dude, I got a fish on it.
That's a good one, dude.
Hey, we didn't fish. We get these schools of fish, and I just had my rod in the I had my rod in the rod holder with the bait in the water, and I catch this slab crappie right here on the side of the boat. On the side of the boat, just sitting there. Today's gonna be a good day. Get these poles out of the way. Put that slab up in there. Look at the steam rolling off of her.
Not bad. Yeah, he's a good one. He's a good one.
That's a big old bass, dude.
Once or twice. They're about average for us today.
Yeah, get a kick out of you catching it.
There's black nose.
Black nose? Yeah. Show people what black nose is. Pretty black crappie right there.
All the way down the fence. See ya. I think that's the first one in here. Oh, that's a pig. Get that fish.
I can't. White crappie too. That was right up there at the boat, man.
Son.
Usually you don't go far and few between white crappie up here, but they in here and they pigs.
That fish. Oh. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Check out that pig.
Man.
Bobby Garland woodgrass.